The Professional Scrum Product Owner is a hands-on, activity-based course where students explore professional Scrum and develop an understanding of the critical role that the product owner plays on the Scrum team. Being a professional product owner encompasses more than writing requirements or managing a product backlog. Product owners need to have a concrete understanding of all product management aspects, including, but not limited to, product ownership that drives value for their products. Being a product owner is a key position that sets the tone for product leadership and the definition of success in the organization. As a product owner, modern product management practices and mindsets are expected to be put into practice daily. The product owner is accountable for and has the authority to maximize the value of the product and the effectiveness of the product backlog. Our training is delivered as an interactive, activity-based course over half-day sessions using Microsoft Teams and Mural. Throughout the class, students learn a number of product ownership practices that they can use once they leave the classroom, while also receiving an introduction to Agile product management. Between sessions, we provide additional reading, writing, and watching activities to maximize the learning opportunity and complement the classroom experience. After the conclusion of the class, we provide access to a community of peers and continued access to the trainer through office hours, quarterly catch-ups, and constant engagement. To maximize validated learning, all students are provided with a password to take the PSPO 1 assessment, and if they take it within 14 days and are unsuccessful, will be granted a second attempt. As part of our validated learning experience, we provide a 30-minute learning review, a 1-hour coaching session, and access to future courses at a 30% discount.